$15. That's how much money you make per 1,000 views. But of course, it's not that simple. This is just the average. But why does it change? Why do some people make more money than others? That's what we'll see in this video. So when you enter a video, YouTube shows you ads at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the video. And when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million short views in the last 90 days, you can join the YouTube Partner Program, and then YouTube starts paying you 45% of the money that they make from these ads. But why do some channels make only $3 per 1,000 views and others make $20 per 1,000 views? I have monetized and analyzed multiple channels so far with different languages and geographic locations, and I can say that channels can make anywhere from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views, and that's why the average is $15, as I said earlier. But if you have a channel with monetization right now, you are probably making less than that, and the reason for that is most channels make between $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. So how can you change that? There are two main factors that affect your RPM rate. RPM means revenue per mil and indicates how much money you make per 1,000 views after the YouTube's cut. And these two factors are geography and content. For example, I have a channel where I post Turkish videos and the audience is Turkish. The RPM on that channel is 30 Turkish liras, and that's $1.50, which is very low, like very low. If that channel, for example, was in English and my audience was from the United States, that RPM rate would be $15, 10 times higher. And the main reason for that is the advertisers. The advertisers in some countries can pay you more money per 1,000 views, and these countries are usually English-speaking countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, or even countries like Germany and Netherlands. So if you target these countries, you're good. But the other factor is your content. It's again the same with this. Depending on the niche that you're in, advertisers can pay you different amounts of money. For example, Apple is one of the biggest advertisers on YouTube, and as you can guess, they put ads on technology videos. They're not gonna put ads on like fishing videos. So here's a list of some of the highest RPM niches. It includes finance, make money online, technology, investing, real estate, marketing, tutorial, travel, makeup, legal, insurance, cars, and DIY. But here's the thing. Even if some categories don't have high RPM rates, they still can get a lot more views than the other categories. And some of the low RPM channels are prank videos, top 10 videos, and gaming videos. Also, something that will help you to make even more money is making videos longer than 8 minutes. Because if you make videos longer than 8 minutes, YouTube allows you to put manually mid-roll ads in your videos. Like when you go to YouTube Studio, come to your content, and from here choose a video that is longer than 8 minutes. Then come to the monetization tab, and here you can see it says manage mid-rolls. And basically here you can put manually ads in your videos, and you can put more ads than what YouTube would do if that video was less than 8 minutes. As you can see, I have put 5 ads in that 14-minute video. I mean, don't overdo it. Like, don't spam ads every 10 seconds because like you can do so. You want to put ads like every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so like it's not annoying. And here's the part where most people get confused and make their mistakes. Don't make the videos longer just, so you can put mid-roll ads. This might do more harm than good. If you make your videos longer without providing any extra value like entertainment or information, that will decrease the viewing experience and viewers might leave. That will drop your average view duration, and that's what tells YouTube that your video is good or not. And if that's low, that means YouTube will see that video as a bad performing video and it will not promote it. And basically, while you were trying to make more money, now you're gonna make even less money. So if you're gonna make long videos, at least provide value. Make them entertaining, put a lot more information. Now let's break down how much YouTube channels could be making. This channel is Steven Shapiro. I hope I pronounced it right, and he makes prank videos. Now I'm using an extension called vidIQ in order to see how much views this channel gets per month. And as we can see, this channel gets 57 million views per month. Now let me show you the math on how you can calculate how much a channel could be making. Open a calculator and type here the monthly views, like 57 million views. Then divide that by 1,000 so you can find, the views in thousands. Then you're gonna multiply that with the RPM rate. Now since his content is pranks, his RPM rate wouldn't be that high, and I'm gonna go with 3. Multiply by 3, and we can see he makes $173,000 per month just from the YouTube ad revenue. But that's probably not accurate, because if we check, he also uploads shorts videos and he gets views that way as well. Not all of that 57 million views is views that came from long form videos with ads, so he's probably making less than that. But even if we take like the half of that money, like if we divide that by 2, he's still making $86,000 per month just from the YouTube ad revenue. Now the next channel is Graham Stephan, and he makes finance videos and real estate videos. If we again check his monthly views, we can see he gets 30 million views per month. So 30 million divided by 1,000. This time we're gonna multiply with $20 because his channel is a finance channel and he makes videos about personal finance, real estate, and that means his RPM rate is way higher. I'm gonna go with 20, and we can see he makes $100,000 per month just from the YouTube ad revenue. But again, this might not be accurate because if we check, he as well shares shorts videos, and as you can see, like this one got 2.4 million views, this one got 10 million views. So he's probably making way less than that, but still, if we like divide that by 3, it still makes $200,000 per month just from the YouTube ad revenue. I mean, he's also making money with the YouTube Shorts views, but you know, the RPM rates on the Shorts videos are really low, like 20 cents or something, so I'm not gonna calculate that. Finally, don't forget that the YouTube ad revenue is only one way to make money from YouTube. If you look at bigger creators, you will see that they never rely on ad revenue, because trust me, relying on ad revenue alone is stressful and affects the videos that you're making. Instead of focusing on only ad revenue, try doing affiliate marketing, sponsorships, maybe selling some digital products. That way, not only you will make more money, you will also diversify your income sources, leading to a less stressful you. And less stressful you means you can make more entertaining videos, and you don't have to have that mindset where I need to make new videos so I can pay the bills. By the way, check out this video here where I start a brand new YouTube channel from scratch and post shorts videos every day for 30 days to see what happens. So I'll see you over there. Bye bye.